how to create a custom sticker on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to turn any photo into a cutout sticker using the Instagram Story Editor. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap the plus icon at the top left to create a new story. From there, take a photo or select one from your gallery to use as your story background. At this point, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen to open the sticker tray. In the next step, scroll through the options and tap on Cutout. Following this, you'll be prompted to choose a photo or video from your gallery. Go ahead and select the photo you want to create a cutout from. Once done, tap on the part of the photo you want to turn into a sticker. From here, Instagram may automatically detect and select a subject for you. At this stage, if the automatic selection doesn't look right, tap Select manually and trace or tap the exact part of the image you want to cut out. After this, once you're happy with the selection, tap Done, and your custom cutout sticker will be created and added to your story. Finally, you can resize it, move it around, or place it anywhere on your story just like any other sticker. And that's it. If this guide helped you create a custom sticker on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.